Okay, let's continue. Naputol siya kay 15 minutes each naman yun ang makon. Sige, let's continue. I will dito sa impersonality. So, again, impersonality is rules and procedures are impartially and uniformly applied with no one receiving preferential treatment. When we say preferential treatment, is kanaganing why pabor-pabor? Like, tabi mo yun, tabi na ka-worker na close friend mo. Naman mo na, ayun na siya tagay og daghang buhatunan kay ana kay close me. Ayun siya pahaguog maayo na gani. Kay kumayo mo kitag nakabutang po diri. Procedures are impartially. Walay ginapili na ihatag na task. Na na tao. Like balik kamo tanan kung sa kuan pa kana ganing feeling na kanang daghan naman siya gibuhat, so dapat imo na po siyang ihatag sa lain. Moingon po muna gamay naman siya gibuhat pero na siya gibuhat na gani kanang each employees or each workers sa usa ka workplace is dapat naka-divide yun ang task, pero wala gyud na preferential treatment. Like wala mo power na oy close bitaw mi di na ako ni siya kuanan nga gani kanang less dapat iyahang tago na ba na siya bali. Ana siya bali ang impersonality. Next, we have the formal selection process. So positions should be occupied by people based on their performance rather than social standing or personal contact. So kaning sa formal selection process is naka-base gud ni siya sa perfect qualification na ma-qualified ka ana na position. Like unsay mong performance, labi na lang kanang na kay work before and then mo apply ka ana is naman gina sila mo performance sheet. So diha basihan na nila di galing na kung tabi sikat ka sige kuha na to ni daghan ka og kaila la sige kuha na to ni dili na bali na gina siya selection process na makuha ang usa ka worker sa workplace. Bali naka-base gina siya sa performance and their qualification na siya. And then kasagaran po no sa formal selection is somehow dili siya nga not on wala gi general na ko na work pero na somehow nag ilagi consider ang imuhang skills. Sa bagay performance di ba? Skills na siya. Ano siya? Next we have yun. So sumara ni siya murag kuan ni Weberian structure and school. Ano na siya? Murag naka somehow diretso na ni siya. So bureaucracy mura ni siya guys sa tagani summary I mean. So, bureaucracy authority at the expense of professional consideration. So, again, bureaucracy is like how the organization process, rules, and then the professional consideration. Somehow, workplace, gini siya na mga topic like unsay naana, unsay mga steps na gian, and then authority based on position in the hierarchy. So, kung unsay position ni imo na kay right na babuhat nimo na lihok. Dili siya ingon na ubos lang ga imo position, grabe na dani mo kataas imo ang self. Ano na gani? Ila ibis kuan ra ka kana gani yung sunod-sunuran pero mas nilabaw imuhang murag imuhang treat sa imong self na mas taas ka na nila. Ano na siya. Next, a professional structure delegates decision making to professionals. Yes, nagina siya ang decision making. Chaotic structures love bureaucratization and professionalization. Bureaucratic structures complement technical competence and specializations of teachers. Professional structure is loose, fluid, and informal. So, mo na siya din. Bali, kanigin siya na topic is more on professionalism, like how you encounter in different workplace, like what is the rules and regulation, what are the correct process, what are the position na imuhang ma-encounter, and then angay pa ba ka mo palabaw sa imong batasan or anything. Kana siya ang sa diri na topic. So next, we have now the second structure on schools. We have this halls, organizational, inventory. So halls, if mana siya si Richard H. Hall. 1930 up to 2009 developed the Host Organizational Inventory or the HOI. So Host Organizational Inventory, HOI, or School Organizational Inventory. So Host Organizational Inventory is used to measure organizational school bureaucracy or various characteristics of bureaucracy. So bali mo na siya ang kung ginagamit nila unsaon nila pag-measure. Ano siya kadali. Bali mo kung sa from the word inventory, di ba? Makuan na siya. So the inventory provides information on areas related to control, how previous experience impact decision, how rules are followed and informs, and what to extent a school is departmentalized. So, bali, kung may mamagitaan is like, kung sa kuan pa inventory pa, kung asa pa inyuhang murag, ganing i-improve. Kay, every decision na atong buhaton is nagyo na siya impact na siya. Then, the AMAC 1946 subsequently adopted and modified the organizational inventory in his study of the bureaucratization of schools. So he measured bureaucratic patterns in schools using the school organizational inventory. So si D.A. McKay ang modified anong sa school organization inventory. And then next, a questionnaire that sorry for that wrong pronunciation. So operationalize the same 6 dimensions of structure. Ano siya? Oh my God. So si host na siya 4 organizational types. We have the first one, the Weberian structure. Professionalization and bureaucratization are complementary, both are high. So bali kani sila duha is naga-complement ning duha, high bureaucracy and high professionalism. Ana siya ang Weberian structure. Sila daas ang duha. And then authoritarian structure, discipline, compliance with the rules, regulation, and directives is the basic principle of operation. From the word authoritarian, nagi na siya gina-follow na rules and regulation. Now, so the main principle gid-ani is strict discipline compliance in with rules and directives. Bali naka-discipline gina siya ang authoritarian structure. Next, we have the professional structure. Professional structure, rules and procedures serve as guides rather than as strict formats to be applied uniformly. So, bali, ang kanay magit siya, di ba, mo yung sa Weberian structure is high and duha. Diri naman sa professional structure is low bureaucracy but high professionalization. So, rules only serve as guides, not strict format. Dili siya yung kana dapat ang kuan. So, decision making is delegated to professionals. Kana siya. Next, chaotic structure. Low degree of bureaucratization and professionalization. Balik ka siya, low ang duha. Ubus bali among bureaucracy and professionalization. Sumuna siya ang host organizational type. Next, we have the siya. So, professional pattern and the bureaucracy pattern. Again, high sa Weberian, high gano'n siya. And then low, C, authoritarian sa professional pattern and high sa bureaucratic pattern. And low si professional sa bureaucratic pattern and high pa siya sa professional pattern. And low both si chaotic sa professional and bureaucratic pattern. So, napay 6 categories in bureaucracy. So first we have the hierarchy of inventory. So when we say hierarchy of inventory, it means the freedom provided to the members of an organization to undertake their specific tasks without the interference of high level authority. So bali, para mas madali is na ay freedom ang every member to do their work without ganing walay mga samok sa mga high authorities. Ina na siya bakay. Naman yung uban na mga worker na mura sila ma-pressure kung magsamok-samok ang mga high level authorities. Ano siya? Ano siya ang hierarchy of inventory. Next, specialization, the process of becoming an expert in a particular area. Sa botawal naman gano'n when we say specialization is kana na area imuhang field, like diha ka ginabutang. Like for example, sa amo o sa ato ang specialization. Kanina ako example ha. Bali, in terms of course, kanina naatay specialized na ang specialized inyo is BTVTED ay course nyo is BTVTED. So your specialization subject will be TLE. And same as me, math ang ako ang specialization. So dito ako na area particular na gina-teach na ako na siya ang specialization. Next, rules. So when we say rules, rules and requirements are required to ensure uniformity so that employee knows exactly what is expected of them. So, bali, if you apply the new work is you already know what to do and how are you going to work with that workplace. Kailangan man sab na kanaganing oh yes, kabalo ka na yung position. Pero waka kabalo sa mabuhaton. So, dapat kabalo ka kay para makuha po ang expected na outcome sa imo. Di kayo na magbuhat-buhat na kaanip without knowing na di mao imong gibuhat. Bali na kay sundon. Ano na siya? Uniform baling mo, di kayo na kanya lagi mo trabaho, kaya mo magitagaan. So that it is important to know the rules or the task na imong buhaton. Next, we have the impersonality. Bureaucratic organization treats employees equally, so they also treat all customers equally and do not allow individual differences to influence them. So kato siya ang impersonality, walay pabor-pabor. Equal ang paghatag sa mga employees. Di yun na favorite na niya halas sige imuha ni dili. Kundi equal ang pag-treat sa tanan. Di ilang ingon sa employees, kundi sa mga customers po. Di kayo na unahon ako ni siya kay friend ni, unahon ako siya katiman dili. Dapat equal. Kung kinsay nakauna na nagina siya, dili na siya pwede na equal. Mo siya ang impersonality. Next, we have the procedural specification. So, it is a written document issued by the authority to the design builder providing a detailed description of procedures or processes required to be implemented by the design builder in the performance of services or work. So, when we see procedural, is mo sila mga written document. Hana siya na. Written documents detailing the specific procedures or processes that must be followed. Like, naka-process siya, naka-procedure gud siya na dapat kanina gid yung sundon. Ina na siya ang procedural specification. Next, we have the technical competencies. So, when we say technical competencies, are behaviors directly related to the nature of training and technical proficiency required to exercise effective control. So, bali, sa technical competencies is nakafocus siya sa behaviors and proficiency na gine-required na para ma-effective ang inyuhang workplace or ang inyuhang gi-perform na work. Para siya, dapat competent, we are competent in doing our tasks and all and so on and so forth. Kaya para effective, and then, kanaganing excellent or kanaganing kung sa kuan pa, imuhang performance is taas, kaya tungod imuhang pag-work is grabe ka proficient, like kanang kuan gyud sa tagani kanang effective ang imong ginabuhat. So kana siya ang technical competencies. So that's all for our lesson 1. So any questions and clarifications, just message our group chat, and then we have another video with this one kanang mga ang records ato ang mag-report ani topic. So that's all. Thank you and God bless us all.